Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Welcome to this introduction video. Today, we have published a package of ultra high performance concrete in Abaqus. This package contains many models that we use ultra high performance concrete uh, as a material for the beam, column, under detention, compression, bending, air blast, explosion, everything's cyclic loading. And if you click on title or blue sign, you will have an introduction here about the ultra high performance concrete in Abaqus, then the material properties of that. You can see here the high compressive strength, better tensile behavior of the normal concrete, elastic model density or anything. You can see these are some figures of the ultra high performance concrete simulation in Abaqus, but these are some figures, not all the models. You can see like the here, for instance, bending here compression, here progressive failure, again the compression, high velocity impact, cyclic loading here, and everything that you need to learn about the ultra high performance. Here we have material modeling, and then the benefits of the ultra high performance in the structure, and then challenging modeling the ultra high performance, and at the end the application. Then here this package contains 18 models, 18 tutorials. The time of this package, the video, the time of the videos in this package is about 500 minutes or more, 500 minutes. 18 separate tutorials, including all the files like CAINP, step-by-step English video, paper, codes, anything that you need. Okay, here these are the titles of the models in this package. During this package, you will learn all these things here. The price of this package is 87 euros. You can use a PayPal account, Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Before payment, contact me to this email, and then I will tell you more about the package contents, payment way, and anything that you need to know about the package. Thank you for your attention.